My name is Taylor. I'm 20 years old and I graduated from Arapahoe Community College in the Automotive Service Technology Department.
To see Taylor come in, she turned into one of our top students. She turned into one of the most responsible individuals I've ever seen come through our program, and she was really able to grow as a leader and a skilled technician through that.
It's a 2-year program. They change kids from not even knowing how to do an oil change to, doing deep engine diagnosis within 2 years. And that's impressive. But the first actual semester, it was electrical class. One of my teachers, he broke my shell. I don't even know what he did. He just made me comfortable with the class, made me comfortable with everyone else around me. It wasn't like your typical classroom environment. It was more of like a family at the time than I'd say a bunch of friends.
Almost immediately when you enter class, we connect our students with local industry partners. With Taylor, we connected her with a local Acura dealer, and they were able to give her those important shop skills, while when she came here, we were able to give her those important knowledge-based skills.
Graduating was huge. I didn't even get a walk for my high school graduation because it was online. My first time ever walking across the stage was at ACC, and I was super nervous. For sure, if you're deciding to come to ACC for the auto program, I highly recommend it. You could be like, hey, I did this. It gives you those bragging rights, those things that you have to be proud of. Like ACC is so flexible, and they have so many different programs, opportunities, things to get you involved more. Anyone who's interested in doing it, or even just wants to learn about anything, just do it. Like, put yourself out there, make yourself uncomfortable.
Like a lot of skilled trades, auto maintenance is something that's a part of you. It's inside of you. It doesn't really matter what your skill set is when you start. But if you have kind of that burning interest inside of you, you just have to work with your hands. Coming to ACC is really going to allow you to grow that. If the automotive field is something you're incredibly interested in, and you want to go to one of the best programs in the country, I encourage you to go on to arapahoe.edu/auto.